Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Silver Library. Today we are going to discuss about the poem The Patriot written by Robert Browning. The poet Robert Browning is very famous for dramatic monologue. Now what is dramatic monologue? Dramatic monologue is a kind of poem in which one person describes about himself or the character itself throughout the poem. It's a presence of one or more characters that is felt. Thus, our poem, which is The Patriot, is revolving around a single person and his thoughts. So, without any delay, let's begin. Let's start with our first stanza, which is, "It was roses, roses all the way, with myrtle mixed in my path like mad. The house roofs seemed to be heave and sway. The church spires flamed, just flag they had a year ago on this very day." A very interesting stanza which describes is that the patriot recalled the day how he was welcomed 1 year ago when he had a grand victory. His path was strewn with fragrant roses that was a symbol of love. The people were mad in their zeal and enthusiasm. The church stars shined scintillatingly with victory flags, and the scene was drastically changed after a year. What had been within this year, that the same day the scene is completely the opposite. To find this out, let's continue in second stanza. The second stanza is, "The air broke into a mist with bells, the old walls rocked with the crowd and cries. Had I said, good folk, mere noise repels, but give me your son from yonder skies. They had answered, and afterward what else?" So in this stanza, it describes us the total scenario after 1 year has changed. The whole atmosphere resounded with the sound of church bell rung in the honor of the hero went faded away after an year. The crowd surged with joy. The patriot appreciated the enthusiasm of people. If he had demanded from them something impossible like the sun from the sky, then would have granted him. They would have surely granted him. They would have asked him what else he desired. Such was the time just a year ago. In first and second stanza, it is quite clear that it's a visual, imaginary, and a dramatic monologue in which a person describes about his situation during a year ago. Now, we will continue with third stanza. What it is? It says that, "Alack, it was I who leaped at the sun to give my loving friends to keep. Not man could do, have I left undone, and you see my harvest, what I reap. This very day, now a year is run." Now it's an allusion. So, what do we mean by this stanza? Let's continue. In stanza number 3, it explains that the patriot says he had tried to do impossible for the pleasure of the admirers. He did his best. He did whatever he could do for his countrymen. But what reward had he got? Is this the reward he is getting from his people? In a sad tone, the patriot feels that people have forgotten all that he did for them. Now continuing with stanza number 4, it says that, "There is nobody on the house tops now, just a placed few at the window sit, for the best at the sight is all allow. At the shambles gate, or better yet, by the very scaffold foot I throw." Now in this stanza, that is stanza number 4, things have totally changed. After 1 year, as the same patriot is being led into the gallows, he finds no one in the house roofs to bid him farewell. only a few crippled persons sitting at the window and watching him. Most of the people have gone to the shambles gate or are quite near the scaffold to have the best view of his execution. How things changed in life, and how a patriot who was a renowned one, who was encouraged and loved by the people so much, is now standing alone at his very day, and no one is there to encourage him. Now, in stanza number 5, it is said that I go in the rain and more than needs, a rope cut both my wrist behind, and I think by the feel my forehead bleeds, for the flank forever has a mine, stones at me for my ears misdeeds. Explaining stanza number 5, it means that the patriot is being led to the scaffold in the rain. A long rope has been used to tie up his hands tightly on the back. He is completely treated as a prisoner. There is no sympathy for the same patriot who was being loved so much. The rope is so tight that it cuts both his hands. He feels that his forehead is bleeding. It is due to the stones that are thrown at him by some callous and cruel fellows. They hurl the stones to show their resentment and anger for so-called misdeeds done by him during the year. It is irony that people have completely forgotten his good deeds. This is what life teaches us. It is always very clear. When we do good deeds, people are always there to support us. But similarly, in the case of this patriot, 1 year before the people used to love him, but after 1 year, things have completely changed for him. Ending to this stanza number 6, which says, thus I enter and thus I go. In trumps, people have dropped down deed. Paid by the world, what dost thou owe? Me, God might question, now instead. This God shall repay, I am safer so. So what does this stanza mean? It says that the patriot entered his city amid with great rejoicing and honor. Now he is living in a great humiliation and insult. He feels that if he had died 1 year ago, some people have actually collapsed in excess of joy. God would never have cared for them. But now, when he had not been rewarded by the people, he was certain to be rewarded in heaven. He feels safe in the bosom of God. Thus, even in intense defeat, he finds something to console himself with. This poem leaves us in a magical tone and concludes in a very positive mode. So, if we discuss about a summary of this poem, it completely makes us understand that, first of all, the patriot is being joyed and celebrated in the city. But within 1 year, how things have changed and how he has been misled and misunderstood by the people. So he finds rest in peace in the arms of God, and with the grace of God he accepts the truth of life and finds serenity in the heaven. Hope you like our summary or a small snapshot of the poem The Patriot by Robert Browning. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Silver Library. Your love and care matters a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.